Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be discussing another topic in Power BI. Today we'll be discussing about bookmarks and bookmarks, how it can help us, and what all bookmarks allows us to do. There are a lot of things which bookmarks allows us. So we'll see that bookmarks here today. So for that, what we'll do, we'll just load the data. I have just loaded this orders and returns data. That is nothing but the superstore sample data. So what I'll do, I'll just create few visualizations. So what I'm going to show you today is, with the help of bookmarks, we'll be resetting the filters. So how to reset the filters, or how to provide the functionality to the users. So what we'll see, we'll do that. So for that, I'll just expand this. I'll just create some random visualization. So here I have sales, I have region here. So I got region by sales, and I'll just put up the labels. So you can go to the formatting and just put up the labels. You got these labels here. I'll get another chart, let's say this kind of chart here. So here I got this. I'll get the profit. So I'll get a profit, and I'll see that how much percentage here and all that few things here. So now what I'll do, I'll just put the filters, so which means slicers. So using that, my users will be able to drill down the data. Okay, so we can expand these like our visualizations and their sizes. We can manage it according to our requirement. So like this, you want to increase the size of bar chart. Okay, so that you can do it here. You want to put up legends here, you can do all that stuff as per your requirement. So I got this thing is a slicer. So I'll get a slicer called region. Okay, so here we have region. And how to work on slicers, there are different types which you can do it here. So here, if you click on this small arrow here, since it is a string column, so it will be shown as list drop down. I'll make it as drop down. And then this is just to reset clear selections. Basically, if you have selected anything and all, then you can just click on that and it will be cleared. All the selections will be cleared. Same way, I'll get another slicer. I'll get this slicer here, and here I'll get the date. Where is date column? Here I have the ship date. I must be having somewhere order date. Yeah, I got this order date. So it is an order date here. In this, you will have multiple options between, before, after, list, drop down, related date, related time, all these things. So here what is happening, like we have few filters here. I'll get one more filter just to have a clear picture. So I have this region here, and then I'll bring state also, so that you can get the clarity in this. I'll get one more slicer. So basically what we have three slicers here. So these three slicers will be helping us to filter the data and all these things. Now if you want to rename the slicers, that you can do it here. So just rename for this visual. I'll just name it as state only. Okay, so state only. So this way it will be shown as region. I have state and I have order date. I'll bring it as drop down. So I have these slicers. So now what I want to do, I want to reset these slicers. Okay, and then what I'll do, I'll just I'll apply some filters. Let's say I have applied central. I'll see here only central level states are coming up, but basically that is nothing but show relevant values. So if you see selected central, then only central level states will be showing up here. That's a normal thing. I'll select Minnesota and all that, Missouri, Nebraska, all these things. I'll apply all these things. Now if my user have to reset the filters, then what they need to do, they need to click on this one, clear filters. They need to click on this one, clear filters. They need to click on this one to get all the filter reset. No, we cannot ask our user or clients to do multiple selections or multiple reset things. The more number of clicks they have to do, the user friendliness of the report or the dashboard goes off. Okay, so it is not a user friendly report. So make sure that you're not asking to do your users to do multiple selections or multiple these things, your triggers. Okay, so make sure not to do or not to have these kind of things. So what we'll do, we will have a option called bookmarks. So what I'll do, I'll just have a bookmark here. So here if you see, this is like the screen on which I want my user to take every time whenever they click on reset filters. So this is the screen. I'll go to view. Okay, I'll say bookmarks. There are no bookmarks available here. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just create a bookmark. So just say bookmark. You can rename it according to your requirement. I'll say this is page 1, so let's say I will say page 1 for now. Okay, so I'll just click on page 1. Okay, so we'll see this. Okay, so bookmark 1 is created. Now what I want to do, I want to have some kind of image or some kind of icon. There must be some icons, reset icons, which you can download from your different sources, Google and everywhere. I'm just taking it some kind of images, shapes and all that. So I'll just take a button. Okay, so let's say I'll take this one, reset. Okay, so I'll take this button here. Basically this is just saying reset. Okay, so this is just a reset. So like this you can take any images also. It's all up to you. This is all up to you, what kind of image, what kind of logo or something, whatever you want. It's all up to you completely. Now whenever my users will be clicking on this button, all the filters will be resetted and it will be on the initial stage. So that's what. So I'll just format this particular button, format screen and all. You can just put some action here. So that is what we have, all these things. So I'll just click on action, say action, and say back, bookmark, drill through. So there are multiple kind of actions which you can perform all this. Even with bookmarks you can apply a lot of other things which we will discuss in our coming sessions. I'll show you the different types of bookmarks or different uses of bookmarks, but today we are discussing about the filterings. So here you see, just click on bookmark and here you have one bookmark created, which is page 1. Okay, tooltip, if you want to show tooltip information to this, then you can just say tooltip. Okay, so here you see you have this no tooltip. Okay, so you have selected this, no tooltip is okay, it's on. Or you can just specify this here if you want to show no tooltip. So here you say reset filter. So I'll just say click on this. So this way this option, this name will be shown to the users when they bring the cursor on this. So here you see reset filters. So now that's all. I'll just expand this, I'll click somewhere else. Okay, now my filters and bookmarks, everything is ready. Now what I'll do, I'll just apply the filters again. So here you see central, I'm getting all the states of central region. I'll say Minnesota. Okay, and then I'll click some range here and all these things. Numbers, you can just bring up the numbers. So start the labels. Here are labels, detail labels and all that. Okay, so labels we have, so you can just put up the labels. Okay, so category, data value, all detail labels you want, if you want to have everything. So like this. Now I want to go back to initial situation, initial position. I don't have to do, as a user I don't have to click on this and that. I'll just need to click on this button. Okay, so that's all. Just using the control and your button, all the filters are reset and everything, all the data you have it here. So this is one of the most wonderful use of bookmarks, where we can use it to have the reset option, reset filter option, and this is very, very useful for users. I normally don't create any kind of report, whether it's on Tableau, whether it's on Power BI or any other tool, without giving my user a reset filters option. So this is something which we use a lot. I have just taken a button. You can put up some images. You can get it from Google Images or somewhere, wherever your organization might be having some specific kind of images for you. So you can take it from anywhere. So this is how, like, reset option button with the help of bookmark is created in a Power BI report. So that's all from my side. I hope you might have liked this. If you have liked this, please make sure to share with your peers, your colleagues, your friends, so that they can also learn something new. Thank you very much. Have a great day.